Building together, moving together, winning together. At DEKRA, team spirit is an integral part of our company culture. We know that when it comes to creating a safe world, we can achieve so much more by working together. Our team is ready across 8 regions with over 45,000 employees worldwide. Through our 8 service divisions, we offer our customers innovative services. From vehicle inspection, industrial inspection, and product testing, right through to claims and expertise, consulting, audits, training, and temp work. We're working today on the safety solutions of tomorrow, with innovative services to make the world a safer place. With an app enabling users to inspect industrial plants without the need for pen and paper, but instead using augmented reality glasses or a smartphone. Or with robot cars which test automated and networked driving over an area spanning more than 700 football fields. Thanks to 5G, in the future we will be able to achieve a position accuracy level of up to 2 centimeters. We're also setting new standards when it comes to safety at work, particularly when working at height. A solid, well-developed safety culture is paramount. With intelligently organized mobility and the DEKRA Safety Index, we're also guaranteeing more safety on the road. Everything we do revolves around the same fundamental principle, working together to ensure more safety on the road, at work, and at home. As a global partner, as a provider of solutions, and as a thought leader.